Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Deanin Yourself. I got a short video for you guys today. I got my alarm system here. It's showing dead or missing battery, and I searched the entire house, like my old alarm system, looking for a battery replacement, and I couldn't find it. So if you guys have the same problem, stay tuned to this video and I'll show you guys how to fix it. Alright guys, welcome back. Like I said, if you guys have an ADT control panel like this one or something similar to this, and you have a dead battery or a missing battery error, you can save yourself a little bit of money by not calling ADT to have them come and service it, and you can service it yourself. It's pretty easy. I'm going to jump into the video and I'll show you guys how to do it. Before I do though, please guys, you do me a favor. If you like my content, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and comment on the video. I do notice that about 90% of my viewers aren't subscribers, and I'd really like to change that. So please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to put out more content that's going to be relevant probably in your day-to-day life. So please do that favor. Also, I got some new merchandise up. There's some down below in the description. If you want to donate to the channel, buy a shirt, it will help me out. Other than that, let's jump into it. Alright guys, after I searched my entire house looking for this battery, I came to realize that the battery is actually located inside this panel itself. And I'm going to show you guys how to change it. It's just one screw that holds this plate on, and once you remove that screw, you'll be able to access the battery and replace it. Now, I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can purchase the battery if you guys are having the same issue. Other than that, let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how to change it real quick. All right, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use a screwdriver, and there's a small hole underneath here with a screw that's holding this plate, the face plate, in place. So what you want to do first is go ahead and remove the screw. Don't lose this screw, by the way. Once you have it removed, you can set it aside. Once you remove the screw from the bottom, next thing you're going to do is you're going to slide the face upwards and remove it. And if you notice, once you flip it over, there's a tab here that you're going to use to hook onto this little piece right here, which will secure it from falling away. But I'm just going to show you the back right here. This is your battery right here. And what we're going to do is discuss, all it is held in place by this little clip here. It may have a screw located here. In my case, I guess the installer didn't put one in, but if it is, you can go ahead and remove that screw and then remove this plastic piece covering the battery. Once you remove this plastic piece, you can disconnect the battery and go ahead and remove it. Now, if you guys, if the model number of your battery doesn't match with mine, you can go ahead and just do a quick search to put in this model number and see if you can find the battery. But if it's like this one, I'm going to leave a link where you can find this exact battery replacement. And in order to replace it, you're just going to repeat the steps in reverse. Once you have your new battery, like I have here, you're just going to go ahead and slide it back in, connect it, like that. Once you have your battery installed, the next thing is to install the clip. It slides in. The clip just slides in, locks in place, and clips in. And there you have it. Once you're done, you can hook the retention clip back on. Make sure all your wires are back inside the hole. Put the plate back on and slide it down. And you'll know it's engaged when you hear it clip. Once the clip's engaged, all you need to do now is put in your screw that you removed from before. And that's it. You've now gotten rid of that missing battery alert on your ADT alarm system. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you found that helpful. My alarm system is back up and running. The battery's missing message is completely gone. So if you guys found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more content. Again guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out, especially when you hit that like button and you share it with your friends. Alright guys, thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next video.